Here are some features that you may want to consider. Let's have a look at the Redmon bamboo top load hamper. In this video, we'll be showing multiple views for size reference and why I like these hampers. Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Here's the reason why I like these. I really like the lacquered bamboo wooden finish. Has a sturdy outside shell construction, a unique cool design. It's lightweight, and I use these to separate my lights and darks. The front has vented slats and the sides have convenient handles. Each one can hold 2 full loads. Optionally, you can use it for storage. Note inside the bottom is designed for lightweight items. For example, extra blankets, pillows, linens, sleeping bags, and tablecloths. It includes durable metal hardware, which includes a stylish chain style lid stop. These hampers can be placed in bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms, utility rooms, cloakrooms, and any room, just about any room in your house. This bamboo is naturally hygienic and ecologically sustainable. The rear has a different design than the front. On another note, I gotta do my laundry. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.